Page 270, this is the Italian sixth chord. We just had the German. This is the Italian. It is very similar to the German, except it only uses 3 of the 4 notes that the German would use. Let's look at the top of the page. Again, we're going to do the German is that. It is a 7th chord with a minor 7th, except for the Italian, they leave out that note. They only use 3 of the 4 notes. That's the only difference. And it usually resolves then to the 5th, 5 chord. I don't know that it really has to, but it usually does. Yeah, okay. I can resolve to a 1 chord if it wanted to. It can do anything it wants to as far as I'm concerned. I don't care. It's the same as the German. You figure it out the same. If you're not sure, well, what am I doing? Go to the 6th step of the scale and then down a half step. C major, 6th step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down a half step, and build a 7th chord on that. Major triad, minor 7th. Those are the keys. The only one you have to change is the top one. That's the one that's inharmonically different. Instead of a minor 7th, it's an augmented 6th. So instead of a G flat, it's an F sharp. Get it? And in the Italian, you just leave out the E flat. So it's really these notes. And first inversion. Take another one just for kicks and giggles. Let's go to A flat major. A flat major has 4 flats. I want the 6th chord on that. I'm going to go to the 6th step of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go down 1 note, a half step. I'm going to build a 7th chord on that. A major triad, a minor 7th. That would be the German 6th. And I'll leave out that note. I have the Italian 6th in A flat major. Well, I don't want to go into it too deep. Again, you can Google this stuff. The stuff in the notes in the middle of the page here. C major, and then the 4. See, we didn't do a 5, 7 here. We did a 4. Then we do this Italian 6th. Remember, we're leaving out that. We didn't do that. We just doubled the C. And then the 5, or the 1 chord, excuse me. And then the 5, 7, 5. That's all it is. If you want to do one of these others, what did we do last time? G major or D major? So all the notes went up 1. Here, instead of here, we're playing the key of D major. For that one, and these go up 1. In D major, when you get to that chord, it's here. Leave out that one, and those are the notes on the keyboard you're going to use. This is not an A flat, it's a G sharp. It's augmented. But that's what you're going to do when you would get there in the key of D major. Yeah. As usual, if you have any question, ask your teacher.